On a bill of fare today, we have wheat puff puff. Trust me, you will love this. Okay, I've been doing this and it is so good. And if today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes. If you're interested, please, what are you waiting for? Do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. So let's get started. I have with me here my 2 cups of soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I've added a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. I'll mix it very well. Place it in a warm place for 10 minutes. You can use any sugar of your choice, okay? But we are going for brown sugar. After 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my 2.5 cups of wheat flour. So today we are using wheat. If you don't like wheat, you can use your all-purpose flour or soft flour. You are good to go. I've added 1/4 cup of sugar. Today the sugar is enough, so you don't have to increase it, okay? Yes. And I've added a tablespoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. I'll go ahead and mix it very well until it becomes uniform. Then we can continue. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it, okay? I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Ezebede Mommy's Recipes, and trust me, you will love it. So we are done mixing everything, and this is how it looks. You can see. Now I'm just going to place this in a warm place for an hour or 40 minutes. You are good to go. But this stayed there for an hour, and after an hour, this is how it looks. I'm just going to dip my hand in so that I can bring some of the air out, and then we are good to go. Just look at that. Perfect. Now this is how we are going to drop the puff puff in the oil, in case you don't know how to do it, okay? Yeah, like this, or in case you find it very difficult to do, you just drop it between your thumb and the next finger, okay? And then you are good to go. It is very easy. If I'm able to do it, you can do it. Now the oil is not very hot, and it is I'll say the heat is on medium, okay? And you are good to go. If it is very high, it is going to burn and the inside will not cook very well. So please, the fire shouldn't be high, it shouldn't be low, okay? If it is low, you're going to get burnt instead of puff puff, okay? Yes. Now allow it to rotate. They are turning by themselves, okay? So I'm not going to hold this. If it is not hot, they will be able to turn by themselves, as you are seeing on the screen, okay? Yeah. And please make sure you keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. Thank you so much if you are still with me, and please do not forget to like this video, share to others, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Ezebede Mommy's Recipes. A very big congratulations to all of us. We are at 18k subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted, okay? I am very, very, very grateful. So our puff puff or bofrot or toge is ready, and just look at that, so beautiful. I just want to open one for you, and just look at that, so soft, okay? So soft. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to follow for more videos, and take good care of yourself. Do not forget to love yourself first. So I come your way next time. I love you. This was very chewy. Bye bye.